In this video I'm going to show you how to use the lead filters inside Leadsmith. Now let's say we are running a restaurant campaign. This is one of our pre-made campaigns that we have inside Leadsmith. Now in some cases you may just be running this for one restaurant, but let's say you want to have it run for several different types of restaurants that serve different types of meals. It could be Chinese food, steak, hamburgers, whatever it may be. But with that said, you have the option here to collect leads for multiple businesses, quote unquote restaurants, depending on the selection the user makes. So let's say we had this form design here and we added another drop down, and this one could be meal type, and then we just put in our meal type here, and we're going to want to do an underscore for the ID. Now let's say we want to have a couple options here. Let's just do 3 or 4. Let's do 3, and we're going to have steak, burgers, Chinese. Click on save, close, and then I'll go to the next section here. The next section I'll save it. Now what we can do based on our selections, go back and edit. Now let's say we only want certain coupons delivered via MMS. Let's just use MMS as an example here. We only want certain coupons to be distributed based on the selection of the type of food that they want. So we're going to click on Add MMS, and we're going to do our message. Here's your coupon. And we're going to have that go out instantaneously, and we're just going to throw this coupon in here. Now let's say we had 3 different phone numbers for each one of these restaurants, and we're going to choose the meal type, steakhouse, and now that's going to go out when somebody chooses steakhouse. Now we also want that lead to be delivered to the business too, so we're going to do this. We want to add their phone number, and we'll put in like the number and when it's going to be sent out, and then we're going to add the filter here too as well. Meal type, steakhouse, click on submit. Now when that user comes in, and let's say we've already set up the 3 for each one of those businesses. We had a autoresponder, a notification for each one of those businesses, and we have a coupon that goes out depending on the selection. So when that user selects steakhouse, that lead is going to get sent to whatever we sent it to here instantaneously, and this MMS will go out with the image of the steakhouse coupon. And now the filters can be used in any of these categories: inside the email notifications, inside the SMS notifications, SMS autoresponders, MMS autoresponders, and even the email subscription service that you're using, whether it be Aweber, MailChimp, etc., etc. All those can be segregated based on the user selection. That's another strong point of using Leadsmith. You can make one form service multiple businesses at the cost of only putting up one form wherever you're advertising it. This concludes the training on using filters inside Leadsmith.